Morning routine to improve your English. Have you ever wondered why some people speak English fluently while others struggle for years, even when they study every day? The secret isn't in the books, it's in the morning. Morning is not just a time of day, it's a state of mind. When the world is quiet, your mind listens better. When the world sleeps, your dreams whisper louder. Imagine this: you wake up, check your phone, scroll for 30 minutes, and suddenly, the day feels heavy. Now picture something different. You wake up and say, "Today, I'll feed my mind before the world." You open YouTube, play a short English story, repeat a few sentences out loud, and write one new word in your notebook. It takes 10 minutes, but you've already won the morning. Because success doesn't start in the office or the classroom, it starts the moment you wake up. Most fluent English speakers didn't learn by studying grammar all day. They learned by building a routine. A simple, repeatable ritual that grows their confidence day after day. Every morning, they listen to an English podcast while making coffee. Read a short article aloud. Write one new sentence using the words they've learned. Tiny habits, huge transformation. Because consistency beats intensity. You don't need to study for hours, you just need to show up every day. Stand in front of the mirror and say something in English. At first, you'll feel shy, maybe even foolish. But day by day, your fear fades, and your voice grows stronger. You begin to trust yourself. You start believing, "I can do this." That's how confidence is built, not in one day, but in one decision repeated every morning. So tomorrow morning, before touching your phone, before checking messages, take just 5 minutes for your English. Say out loud, "This is my time to grow." Read, listen, speak, whatever you do, just do it daily. Remember, the first hour of your day decides the direction of your life. Feed your mind with positivity, practice your words, and your dreams will slowly take form. Morning routines create momentum. And momentum creates mastery. If you improve just 1% each morning, imagine where you'll be in 1 year. Not just fluent in English, but fluent in confidence. If this story inspired you, don't keep it to yourself. Like this video, share it with someone who's learning English too, and subscribe to Lamra, where we learn, aspire, master, reflect, and evolve together. Because every great story starts with a single morning.